Lifestyle photography is one of the first tools designers explore in RaspberryAI, and it's still one of the most versatile. You can create editorial-style scenes with AI models, build location-driven photo shoots, visualize products like bags and shoes, or even generate styled food photography. What I love about this tool is that you can start with any idea, write it into the prompt, and Raspberry brings it to life. And if you want even more control, you can pair your prompt with a reference image for style, color, or mood. We'll begin with a clean slate. Strong lifestyle photography prompts always start with the model. You can describe hair, eye color, skin tone, age, and overall look. The more detail you add, the closer the output gets to your vision. Here I'm prompting for a Black male model and a South Asian female model in their 30s. This follows the cloth method from our Prompting Fundamentals series. Color, look, outfit, textile, how it's made. We'll layer those in as we build the scene. Next, I'll describe the outfit, the pose, and where the photo shoot takes place. You can stay simple, Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, or get specific, a beach in Tahiti at golden hour. You can even use in the style of to guide the aesthetic, like creating a Harper's Bazaar-inspired editorial moment like in this scene. I'm prompting for him to wear a long black wool overcoat and for her to wear a chalk-colored dress. The scene is a spacious concrete studio to offset the neutral tones. If you ever need help making your idea more descriptive, you can use Prompt Assist to expand a short note into a fully built shot list you can paste straight into the prompt box. Before we generate, there are a few optional tools that you can use to guide the result. First, you can add a reference image. This is great when you want Raspberry to follow a specific style, color palette, or overall mood. It won't copy the image, but it will help the output land closer to your vision. Second, there's character consistency. If you want the same model to appear across multiple scenes, maybe for a campaign or a series, you can upload a clear front-facing image and Raspberry will keep those facial features consistent from shot to shot. And finally, you can choose a perspective or lighting preset. These help shape the mood and framing of the scene, especially if you're generating a set of images and want them to feel cohesive. All of these are completely optional. You can use as many or as few as you'd like. Once everything looks good, then we can go ahead and click Generate. You'll get 4 outputs. Pick the one that matches your vision, or generate again if you want more variations. From here, you can download in various formats. You can also open an image editor or animate the scene. You can upscale to 2K or 4K, save to your library, or export to Miro. Lifestyle photography is a powerful starting place for creative exploration, whether you're designing a campaign, testing styling ideas, or simply experimenting. Every photo shoot begins with a prompt, and the more you iterate, the more you'll see how much range this tool unlocks. To wrap up, I'll take my favorite output and animate it. I'll open the image in our Animate tool, write a short direction for the motion, and generate a 5-second video. Even subtle moves, a gentle camera drift or soft fabric movement, can turn a beautiful still into a polished editorial moment. It's a great way to bring your lifestyle photography scenes to life and explore how RaspberryAI's tools can build on each other to create rich, dynamic visuals.